Hi everyone! Welcome back to another fun and simple origami tutorial. Today, we're going to fold an adorable little origami cat. This cute kitty is great for gifts, decorations, or just for fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Fold in half. Start with your square piece of paper and fold it in half. This will help create symmetry for the rest of the cat. Origami tip. Press your folds firmly to make cleaner shapes. Step 2. Open and fold the right side. Now, open it back up and fold the right side inward as shown in the instructions. This helps shape the cat's head and body. Step 3. Make guiding creases. Next, follow the guide to make some pre-creases that will help us fold the head and legs easily. Origami tip. Take your time with these steps. Clean creases make shaping much easier later. Step 4. Fold the head. Let's fold the top section down to start shaping the cat's head. Adjust the size depending on how big or small you want it to be. Step 5. Fold the ears. Now fold 2 small triangles at the top to make the cat's ears. You can angle them out for a playful look or keep them straight for a calm kitty. Origami tip. Try different ear angles to give your cat its own personality. Step 6. Fold the body. Fold the lower section to form the body. Keep it straight or give it a slight curve. It's up to you. Step 9. Done. And there you go. Your very own origami cat is complete. Cute, fun, and full of charm, great for gifting or displaying. If you enjoyed folding this cat, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to let us know which animal we should fold next. See you next time for more creative origami fun. Origami Cat, Easy Origami, Cute Origami, Paper Folding, Origami Animals, Origami Tutorial.